guys, it's your boy. Welcome back to another Animal Company video. Today we're looking at the new graveyard / Halloween update in Animal Company. So we gotta go check the shop. There's definitely something over there. There's a bat and there's these stubby steed sets. These are expensive shit. You know, moles, stuff over here, the stuff that's about to go off the shop, or the other things are outfits for Halloween. Omega and Mega Suits, Ultra Suit, Giga Suit, Ghost, Ghostbuster, Spookster, and Jacko Swagger. It's fogging. There's the forest looks very different. We'll look at that in a minute. We gotta check if stash is upgraded. Nope. Okay, so you still get the grip kicks. There's a new item, a sword. So we're gonna go get that. This doesn't come back. Got it. So it's not like the axe, right? Somewhere over here. Oh god. Oh god. Ouch. We just gotta die at this point. There's pumpkins and there's bushes. And there's this cute little guy. Let's check there. There's probably a new VHS tape, alright? Yeah. We're gonna take it. We're taking some revolver ammo with this just to be a bit safe. Oh, there's two portals. Oh, look at that cute little scarecrow. So this one takes us to forest? Okay. So the other one takes us to the graveyard. Oh, let's check the lake actually. Let's check if it looks different. Orange trees. Not really much of a difference now. So we'll go ahead and head back. We're gonna go to the graveyard now. I'll quit stalling. Let's go. Oh god. Something's locked and I see a light over here. These are both locked. There are zombies in here. Holy, there's a lot of them. Run through. God. Are these all the dead monkeys? I'm just gonna keep moving. Okay, here's like a weird tree over here. Circus. Like I said, don't open via that. exactly know what this is, but there are cysts. I mean, these are not cysts. There's like nowhere to go once you get in here, actually. Oh god. Oh gosh. What do I do? I want to check what's going on in here. Oh, there's the tape. Let's go back and hurry up with this in. I'll see if we can get a friend to help us with this, because I don't know what I'm supposed to do. This is really confusing. We're gonna see if we can get someone with us, maybe Slimy. Nice. My hookshot disappeared.
Hello.
It's Max, not the slimy Max, but just Max. Let's go. We're gonna take him to the graveyard. Let's go see our goofy boofy friend CJ. He in here somewhere.
Whoa.
She is crazy. Just hold on, I thought zombies were here. Yeah, there is. They just have to spawn. Also, these are locked. I don't exactly know how to open them. You could, I would think you can. Oh god. What is that?
Oh, I thought you were a zombie. That's a skull.
Here, give me it real quick. I might know what to do with it. Look at me. Did I go in here? No. I think I might know where they go. Oh lord.
Parker, don't die.
I'm good. They don't really do any damage. The VHS tape is up in that tree.
Or should I just call you YABOII?
What the fuck?
I'm a grave digger.
There's keys. Yo gang, give me that key real quick. I know what it goes to.
Oh, that sends me flying. See? Zombie.
Max, you gotta protect me. These things don't go in bags. So these go to this. They're buried in the things. Euphrates River.
Oh, look at this.
Alright guys, we have to end video. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ouch.
We have to end video soon. It's this way. We have to end the video soon, so I'm gonna hurry up and we got a golden skull. I know exactly what this goes to. It's from those chests. It's right over here. It goes to this fire, I think. I think you throw it in it. That's where it seems to go. I'll just like... We need 4.
Where'd you go?
We need 4 of them. So we need to start digging up those graves for more keys.
I seen another key here. I got a key. I got a key
no, we need one more.
These swords are crazy.
Yeah, they're actually really good. Alright, come on,
Look
let's
at what I
go.
can do. I can send you all the way over there if you want.
Please don't.
See?
Gotta turn our headset down, it's too loud.
Get ready to kill it. I'll open this thing. Can I have a golden revolver?
That one should spawn one. You.
Any louder? Am I louder?
Yeah, come on.
Ah.
Oh,
You can hear me from miles. Say something.
You keep doing this, I'm gonna go put this skull in the thing. So this skull seems to go to that fire, and oh my god, we already almost have the whole fire. Oh, this isn't good.
Say something into it. You have to hold the trigger.
What the fuck is this?
Back.
I'll dupe that after the video.
Okay.
What the fuck? So we need to. Oh, that's a zombie. What the fuck? Start unearthing.
I got the key.
You do?
I know, Mom.
I need a picture of that for my video anyway.
Do it.
Alright. I need a picture of the megaphone actually, hold on.
How does this work? It says max ammo and it's not doing it. Holy crap.
Come on, we have the final skull.
How do you get the ammo in? Can you give me a piece of ammo?
What is that? Oh god.
Hit it.
Oh god, don't hit me, don't hit me. No! Oh, it's dead. Wait, how'd you kill it?
Because I hit it really fast. What are these?
Well, these are different. Wait, don't put those in. These are different.
I already threw one.
These are on fire.
There's another. There's another.
Yeah, these can't go in there. Take one of these with you. These might be rare.
Your piece of ammo, please.
Let's head back.
Can you please give me a piece of ammo?
Just head back. I'm gonna dupe the skull and I'll dupe the megaphone, and I have to end the video.
Okay.
Okay, you're right behind me. Oh, grab the VHS tape. Grab the tape.
I'm gonna.
Ow. It's in the tree back there.
Give me a few seconds.
Yo, get that tape up there. It's in that tree. Get the tape over there, bro. You're gonna need it. Get the
Where's the
tape over
tape?
there in that tree. Where that purple is. It's right up there.
I got it.
Alright, I'm on the way back up.
Come on. This new map's really fun.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna... First I gotta end video. You put that in. That was today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Your boy out. Boom.